happy New Year 2023. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for everyone that supported me in 2022. So that we're now into a new year. We're now like 8 hours into the new year. I will tell you, we will have a huge change that will be coming here in 2023. I am so excited for this change. But guys, nevertheless, you know what I'm doing. I have to remove all of my Christmas decor before 2023, so this is pre-recorded. I did take everything down on December the 30th, so I am bringing you this video to show you everything that I had up. It's some spaces that I did not show in videos last year doing Vlogmas, which I really did not do Vlogmas. I did upload 15 videos. I was really surprised at myself, but I did upload 15 videos for the Christmas season for the month of December. But this year we got to go ahead and settle for last year, because last year is now history. But now for the present and for the future, guys, I am just so excited. My channel will be changing also slightly. I will be doing a lot of solo dates. I will be doing a lot of vlogging, daily vlogging, weekly vlogging. I started a little bit of that in 2022, and I do like that, and I did notice some did like that, me actually putting a video up of what I did for the week, things that I purchased for the week. So that will definitely be coming in 2023. I will continue that. So if there's anything else that you would like to see for me to add in 2023, please do jot it down, let me know, because if it is something that your girl is interested in, of course, you know I will add it. So guys, happy new year. I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch this, listen to the music, but I pray everyone had a great new year coming in. I am praying that all of us here on YouTube and all of the ones that are listening to us, that support us, that we will have a fantastic 2023. That's what I wish. I know everyone said, you know, hey, you need to go ahead and jot down your things that you would like to do or see yourself do in the next year. I just made a solid prayer. A lot of people put on their regimen, oh, I want to lose weight. Your girl did that in 2023. So as far as body change, I do have that planned for 2023. I'm not sure if I'm going to record any of that. It's a lot of people have done body surgeries and stuff, and they have it on YouTube. So, I mean, mine would not be anything spectacular because there's zillions of other people have already done it. But nevertheless, guys, I am running my mouth. I am so excited for 2023. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this house all taken care of.
Things we were created for, possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life me in my head. From the past to future plans, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt. No doubt my emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. Are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt. No doubt my emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe.
Thank you so much for a beautiful 2022. So now that we are all packed up, it is time to open up a new chapter for 2023.
I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God,